People worry that bread is bad for you. You know, to that I say bad bread is bad for you and good bread is good for you. I'm Marc André Royal, the owner of the bakery, La Bête à Pain, here in Montreal. I got into bread basically when I was younger. I was working in restaurants in London, England, New York, and all the bread was made in-house. I was always really obsessed with it. You know, it smells like butter, smells like fresh bread maybe your mom was making when you were a young kid. And the crusts are very important, you know, you get some nice cracking noise on it. So it doesn't look like it was made from a machine. It looks like it was made by someone today, super fresh and with love. You can't cheat with bread. It's kind of a very simple thing, but hard to master. There's few ingredients, right? So it's almost like religious. It's really, when you talk to bakers, they're very obsessed with the starter, the wheat, the technique and all that. So it's about searching that perfect bread and just doing it day after day. Breads are very healthy because of the fermentation process. Basically what happens, the acid lactics will transform some of the chemicals and you'll be able to absorb the minerals easier in your body. Where it's not fermented, all the minerals just get flushed out. So that's why the fermentation process is really key to better nutrition. So get to know a good bakery and ask for how it's made. So there you go. We'll leave it for about 45 minutes maybe. The bread will decide when it's ready. Most sold bread in the world, probably baguettes. 18-hour fermentation. What you're looking for is a well-cooked baguette, nice and crispy on the outside, and a really nice inside, nice bubbles in there. Best bread ever. Very popular these days all across, I'm pretty sure, Canada, multi-grain bread because of the omega-3s, you know, all the grains, all the seeds in there. Excellent with toast too because the seeds get toasted. It's like really, really amazing for sandwiches and stuff like that. Any viennoiserie, any breads that's left over, we just dice it up, add a little cream, little eggs, little milk, nutmeg, cinnamon, ginger, and we just make bread pudding. And we serve this for breakfast here at the bakery. There's croutons you can make, very simple, but so good. Viennoiserie is French for pastry. The fresh croissant in the morning, that's what makes a bakery. What you're looking for is a nice golden color, and you want to see the layers. That's the layers of butter and dough, and that will make it crispy and flaky, and that's what's good about them. Take a habit of going to your bakery, you know, twice a week, once a week, and buy fresh stuff, eat them, and then go back again, you know. When they're just on point, just freshly made, it's a world of difference.